Welcome students to your science class. Please open your science book. Open your science book. Page number 16. Already in yesterday's class I have explained you with the help of the textbook reading that which are the different parts of our body. Today we were to do one activity class, but somehow I will do that activity class later on. Today let us complete our exercise. Okay, so yesterday I taught you about the different parts of the body, then after the different uses of the body, which part of the body does which activity. So they are doing different types of activity, and after different parts of the body sometimes coordinate each other, they do a teamwork, right? So in the same way we are going to do today page number 16 and page number 17. Okay, so please write down classwork date over here. Write down classwork date over here. Page number 16 and page number 17. Classwork date. Question number A. I have not written the subject and the topic because from here you won't be able to see the board. So I need some space for my students to write over here so that they can see properly and write down, note down in their book. Okay, so please write down in your textbook only. So here comes, name the parts of your body that helps you to. So the first one is eat. Number one is eat. So mouth helps us to eat. Mouth helps us to eat. Next comes Afrin, if you cannot see me, just disconnect the call and join once more. Just disconnect the call and join once more. Number 2, see. So here comes see, and eyes helps us to see. Next comes number 3, walk, and legs helps us to walk. Number 4, paint. Hands helps us to paint. 5, hop. Hopping means jumping, like frogs and deers, kangaroo. So hop, we use our legs to hop. We use our legs to hop. Okay, next everyone complete this one. As soon as you are completing this one, you just write down yes ma'am. Those who have completed, please write down yes ma'am, so that I can go for the next question, question number B. I can go for the next question, question number B. Okay, so let us go for next question. Everyone completed? Okay, so I'm rubbing the board. Question number B. Can you write the names of the parts of the body below? So one picture has been given to you. This is the picture. this is the picture, and here the body parts. Like first one is eye, second one is mouth, third one is hand, ear, nose, finger, leg, so these are the different parts. Question number B we have done on the board. Question number B is before you. Different parts of the body which has been pointed in the picture. I have just written down the spellings of those parts of the body. Okay, so here comes eye, mouth, hand, eye, mouth, hand. Next comes ear, nose, fingers, leg, ear, nose, fingers, leg. Okay, so everyone write down. As soon as you complete this part, please write down yes ma'am, so that I can go for question number C. Okay, Shanchayan has completed, Trayambak has completed, Rudra has completed, very nice. So I am rubbing the board. I hope everyone has completed. I am rubbing the board. Let us go for question number C. If you have not completed, don't worry. This video will be uploaded on YouTube, and those who are a little bit slow or not completed till now, they can complete from YouTube also. Okay. So here comes question number C. Number 1, we have dash hands. So we are having 2 hands. I'm just writing the answer. You just note down the answer in the blank. We have 2 hands. Number 2, we jump with our, so usually we jump with our legs. Number 3, we hold a pencil with our, we hold a pencil with our, we all know, with our fingers. With our fingers. And we eat with our dash, so we eat with our mouth. We eat with our mouth. We eat with our mouth. So students, over here there is a activity for all of you. You can see on page number 17 there is one activity. You have to take watercolor. You have to dip your thumb in that color, and you have to give impression and make a colorful picture over here. This assignment will be uploaded on e-portal within tomorrow. I am not committing that it will be uploaded today only. আজকেই আমি আপলোড করতে পারবো কিনা আমি কথা বলতে পারছি না। অবভিয়াসলি কালকের মধ্যে অ্যাসাইনমেন্ট আপলোড হবে। So you just complete it, okay? Complete this one, put the impression like this and make a colorful picture. Page number 16 and page number 17 will be uploaded on the e-portal, and you just complete it. Already you have completed the textual part, you complete the picture and you send it to me. I will check it on e-portal. Okay students, so thank you very much, and each and everyone take special care of yourself. Wash your hands properly. Don't go out without reason. প্রয়োজন ছাড়া বাড়ির বাইরে বেরোবে না বাবা, কেউ বাড়ির বাইরে বেরোবে না প্রয়োজন ছাড়া। Understood? This is not the time to enjoy anything. So don't go out without mask, without sanitizer and without any reason. Without any reason কোনো মতে বাড়ির বাইরে বেরোবে না। বাড়িতে থাকো, সুস্থ থাকো, ভালো থাকো। Bye students, take care of yourself.